Gabby, and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm playing Retail Tycoon. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've already started. It's very cramped in here. Don't have a lot of money by the look. I only have 525. I don't really need the restocker. I just needed it because I was going other places to look at things. So we can delete this storage to trash some items first. I have to trash items? Wait, supplies? Is that what I have to trash? This game sucks. I don't know how to delete. Why can't I just delete it? Storage too full. Trash some items first. Okay. Okay. Trash some items. Trash. I have to trash. I kind of need these, sir. Is it good now? Can you see how fair this game is? Oh my god. Well, I really need the clothing. Lots of people use it. Not so many people actually buy candy. So I guess I could keep trashing it, but I don't think this is a great idea to trash my things. I don't have any more to trash. I can buy some once I delete this. Are you serious? I still can't. Storage too full. Where else? People use these things. I guess I can trash some more things. I don't have that many hats. Do I have this many hats? Okay, let's try doing it now. I have a lot. Oh my god. And why? I've done so many. I've done so much. Okay, I can't clean up the spill. Okay, so this is my tiny little space. Quite boring. Wait, is that any of these guys rubbers? Seriously, rubber. Jeez. Oh, I really like this blue car. It's so pretty. I have a really small building. And look at the people in front of me. I can only have 2 people at a time. I've had so many once. Well, that was weird. My little decoration couldn't hurt. Are you serious? I don't have enough room to decorate. I will kill you one day. Okay. But doesn't this look nice? It's brightly colored. Same with the clothing. Why even here if you have negative things about my shop? Well, if that's what you want to say, then I guess I'll have to go. I didn't know there's an edge here. I'm gonna go jump down. Wait, I'm gonna go jump. Damn it, I'm gonna go jump down. Woo! That was fun. Does this ever end? What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Let me try that again. That made no sense to me. Okay, wait, what? Does that make any sense to you guys? Because it doesn't to me. We went down and we came up from the sky. That ain't make no sense, people. A bus stop. Well, I'm just gonna wait for the bus. And I'll have to leave. Goodbye, cool world. I'm totally on the bus right now. I don't know what. Wait, what? So stupid. I didn't even look. I just went like, man, I don't care. But where are we? Oh, here? Okay. Well, that was. Let's go check out this person's place. Kind of bored, so you know. Look at how big it is. I feel like they built this. I don't think that they really buy this and bought this. Got the manager here and his desk. Why am I even in here? His money tree. You compare mine to his. I'm so lame. I don't know why. I just like going to people's houses, people's places, and helping them. Before there was a robber in this girl's place. I was gonna let him rob her, but then I was like, no, I can't let that happen. Oh, oh my god, so much jewelry. I need it. I need all of this, and I sell it. Can I have all these ferns? If I can't have them, nobody can. Okay, let's go check my place. Someone probably robbed it by now. Whew. Armendorfer. Arm and Otterper 16. Is that the name? I don't know. His name is quite confusing. I don't know. Not working. Well, that was kind of boring, that part. Did you just say this place is cleaned? Why are you here? Like I said to the other people, if you only have negative things to say, don't come in. Oh, a couple. Wait. Who's... Oh, yeah. Them two are couple. The two people in this car are couple. Oh, wow. Quite a lot of people came out from that car. Oh. You're a grumpy person. There's only one electronic left. I really need to fix that up. Oh yeah, that's right. I had to delete all my things. Still need it. But you know, it's just life. Life is life, you know. Life isn't always fair. Oh, I like these. Just gonna jump on the cars because why not? No, how dirty. I don't even have any drinks in here. Do they bring their own? Seriously, if you're gonna make a mess, clean it up yourself, or at least call me. These people are rude. Okay. Well, this is my place. Make sure to check out this game. It's actually really fun. Sorry, just gonna get off of this. Retail Tycoon. It's pretty cool. Here's a rubber. They have like hats. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like this video, cause just do it. Okay, just do it. Cause if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? My channel is the worst channel in the world, so you just subscribe. It kind of looks like chocolate milk, but it's blocks, whatever they call it. Blocks, I don't know. Wait, what? There's a robber hat? Why do I sell robber hats? Look at this. Why would anyone sell that? I think that's quite stupid. But yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video so far, and I don't know what to do now. Well, I just been walking around this whole time because some places they just like so boring. You don't know what to do, so you're just walking around because you're finished. It's a store. You think we don't know that? Okay, well, wait, what? How did I get a purple building? The boy with the purple building. I like the green. I want the green. I want yellow. Hmm. Are you serious? More chocolate milkshake slash Coke. Why does this guy have a pan as a hat? And he's oh my god. That's funny. Oh my god. Okay, so I swear this car has been here for like an hour. Hasn't been. Wait, is there someone? Ah, truck's going through the wall. That's all. Man, thought there was something else. I'm glad the lines aren't too long. Yet there's no lines at all. The lines are too long. There is lines. There's two cash registers. I can't find an open register. Cell phone's right here. Do they really want me to get one that I have to use? I really don't feel like it. I'm just gonna make someone else do it. In the middle, cause why not? No, I built in the wrong one. There's two right there. I want to see a manager. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. This is happening. We're doing it, man. People are so rude. Like, I'm trying my hardest, man. I can't do anything. This is so stupid. I'm gonna put it. Just gonna put it right. Gonna put it right here. Oh, oops. Yes. Here. And now, worker, cashier, 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 man. One cashier. One cashier. There's some over here as well. Oh, twins.